Kylie.
Huh.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say potty.
Party.
Say drink.
Tank.
What do you want to drink?
Boo.
What do you want to drink? Juice? Can you say juice?
Two.
How about milk?
Milk.
How about cereal?
Taylor.
Can you say cereal?
Taylor.
How about what do you want for dinner?
Boo.
Say dinner.
Dinner.
How about chicken?
Chicken.
And French fries?
Play.
Can you say love you?
Away.
Say love you.
Eleven.
How about tickle?
Tickle.
How about tickle, tickle, tickle? Can you say pony?
Pony. Pony.
Here's a pony.
Bell.
Can you say Derek?
Nick.
Derek.
Jag.
Can you say Krista? Can you say Kylie?
Kylie.
Can you say picture? Picture.
Pizza.
Can you say where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
Yeah.
Daddy home? Can you say Daddy home?
Daddy home.
How about Daddy work?
No.
Work?
Daddy home.
Daddy work.
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 Cheers.
Daddy sleep?
Feet.
Sleep?
Feet.
What do you do when Daddy's sleeping? Huh?
Daddy.
Huh? You say quiet.
Dad.
Quiet.
Dad.
Can you say Haley?
Haley.
Can you say Tyler?
Dad.
Say Grammy.
Timmy.
You say Jean.
Tim.
How about Grampy Paul?
And Ball.
Grampy Paul. What's the doggy say?
Juice.
What's the doggy say?
Kitty.
Kitty? What's the kitty say?
Wah. Wah.
Meow.
Meow.
What's the duck say?
Wah. Wah.
Quack quack.
Waka. Doggy.
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 What's a cow say?
Moo.
Moo. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wave. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.